I'm your host, Guru, in case you forgot. And today we're going to be making mandazis for the first time in Mauritius without a rolling pin because Mauritians do not understand what a rolling pin is used for. That's just my view. Anything on this channel is my view and my views only, no one else. So yeah, I think nothing is crooked. I'm going to be making mandazis for the first time. I hope you enjoy this video. I've not done anything like this before from like start to finish. It's usually like with the bread usually like coming from me, but this time I think I'm going to take you through the process. Hi guys, I'm attempting to make a mandazi for the first time, and Mauritians don't have rolling pins, so I'm going to be using a bottle. Pray for me, pray for me. I'm going to film the whole thing, so I'll let it rise for like 30 more minutes. Hey, and then I shall come back. Bye. It is ready. It's very soft. So I've just in this river. You twist with your hands like this. Then you roll. So you sprinkle some flour. Then you cut like with your fingers like this to this and you knead the flour. And roll. That's one. So let me show you the first few. Sprinkle some flour. I want to know how it's going to look inside when you do this. You see here? That's how it's going to look inside. But it's too soft. Wait, give me 2 seconds.
Everybody go to our breakfast.
And I'll be worried about him next time you know the truth. I think he's just the man for you.
Bright, still crispy. It's good. That was supposed to happen.
So many reasons why I want for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See all the little things you do, they make me know love. Oh no, no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure.
So the next part is to make the shapes. Don't worry, these are very clean. Roll. It wants to fight me. You roll.
Yeah, yeah. I know I gave you what you need. I know what you
Sorry. One more. Okay. Another one and over like more. They don't have to be seams, I guess. Okay, they do. One will be small. Putting them onto the plate.
only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
It's my setup. If the oil is hot, I do this and it starts burning-ish. So yeah, this is I don't want to put my hands inside because I don't get some. I'm gonna put it here. Here. This is the first one to go to lunch, but we shall progress. I promise you progress.
I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings they swing like Django Lover.
What do we have right now? So we're going to we have these ones. We have the food.
Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last. Now everybody could chop breakfast. I have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life. My yo, don't cry yo. I need people and shadow. 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 Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, make a call, make a dream, but the bong, your body.
So this is the first batch. This is the second batch. This is the third batch. And this is the fourth batch.
What's this? Are these the bad ones? Can I have a... Oh, you're recording?
Almost done. It's the last one. That's the last batch, and these are the ones I've done.
I gave you what you needed. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess that. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Said I made it mess up my mind, and I made it make it free up my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave, I'm struggling your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody.
These are the end results. For the first time making Mandazis, I've tried. I've really tried. And then that was like the first round. Well, like the last round, the first round. God, they've gone, they've been demolished. But yeah, that's how they look. For the first time. Let me show you how it looks inside. Inside it looks like that. I can't just find the perfect lighting. Can I use the microphone? Anyways, it tastes. And it tastes so good. Don't forget to stick it. It is so good. I'm done for the day. What you say? Oh, I'm blacker than black. Wait. I'm done for this video. This can be at the end. I like the curtain at the back. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.
I know be OG, but if you ask them know me.